Hello everyone, and welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan's YouTube channel. My name is Carrie Marquis and I'm an attorney with the firm. Today we're diving into an important and sometimes challenging topic, problems with the modern child support system in Texas. If you're interested in understanding the complexities of the child support system in the Lone Star State, you've come to the right place. Let's begin by discussing the primary purpose of child support. It's important to understand that child support is meant to ensure the financial needs of children are met, particularly in cases where parents are separated or divorced. To shed light on the challenges within the child support system, let's explore a real-life scenario. Meet Sarah and Mark, a couple who recently divorced. Sarah and Mark share custody of their two children. However, after the divorce, they encountered difficulties with the child support system, which impacted both of them and their children. Now let's dive into some of the common problems with the modern child support system in Texas. One challenge is the inflexibility of child support guidelines. These guidelines are sometimes fail to account for unique family circumstances, leaving parents struggling to meet their children's needs. Enforcement and compliance issues are another concern. Some parents may not fulfill their child support obligations, leaving the custodial parent in financial distress. Modifying child support orders can be complicated. Even when circumstances change, such as income fluctuations, parents may find it difficult to obtain a modification. The custodial parent may face challenges in using child support funds efficiently, as there are limitations on how those funds can be used. On the other hand, non-custodial parents may feel frustrated with the lack of transparency regarding how their child support payments are utilized. Amidst these challenges, it's crucial for parents to seek legal assistance to navigate the complexities of the child support system. In conclusion, the modern child support system in Texas, while well-intentioned, can present significant challenges for both custodial and non-custodial parents. If you're experiencing difficulties, consult with an experienced attorney who can help you navigate the system and advocate for the best interest of your children. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. The Law Office of Bryan Fagan is here to support you through the complexities of family law. If you have questions or need legal assistance, don't hesitate to reach out and schedule a free 30-minute consultation. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.